guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. This is a continuation of last week's video because I had just done my grocery shopping and I was about to put them all away, so that was supposed to be done in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Finally, I'm done washing the vegetables, so I'm just going to leave them out here for a bit so that they can drain the water and then put them back later. I still don't know if my audio is, I hope my audio is okay because I don't know what happened earlier. So this is my freezer right now. Still have a ton of sausages. They were on offer, so that's why I got more. I still have some ham. I have some kidogo sausage, some cheese here. So I want to just put away what I got because it's taking up a ton of space here and it needs to be in the fridge. So my fridge is finally clean. I had to ask my nanny to help out because I don't think I'd have been able to do all this. So let's start putting things back in the fridge and adding whatever I got earlier. So I'm finally done with my fridge organization. I have my yogurts over here. When you have a child who's going to school, you'll understand this. We have a ton of medicine here. Condiments are here. I have some cooking cream, some salad. This is leftover yogurt. This is I think rice vinegar, if I'm not wrong. These ones are homemade. 3 yogurts and I think 5 liters. I mean 3 malas and I think 5 bottles of yogurt. I have my milks. That is almond milk, and behind it there's low-fat milk. There's mojitos over here. There is what are they called? Flavored water. And then right here I have these ones are halloumi. This is butter. This is some blueberries. Behind there I have some pasta sauce. And then over here I have my very favorite juices. I have some mushrooms behind there. I have some sliced pineapples over here, some flavored milk, Coca-Cola, what is this called, punches, my very big tomato paste, my green, yellow, red bell peppers, apples, some carrots over there, and we can call it a day. Hi guys, good morning. I still have a horrendous phone holder. I still haven't gotten another one. I think I've become too skeptical about getting one because I just feel like I'm not going to get the perfect one, you know. So I'm just here winging it, wondering. Anyway, I hope you guys have been good. So today's on Tuesday. I have a nail appointment. I've broken 2 nails. They're not really like actually broken, but they're broken. Like I can see, I actually have 2 fingers. These 2, they've cracked, so I kind of need to sort it out today. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but my nail tech was unavailable and I had a crazy day at the office, so I couldn't. So now I think I'm going to go to someone around Kileleshwa, because my nail tech is in town, and that whole thing of going to town is it's a lot, especially if you're just going to fix my nails. And I know I'm going to take a minimum of 3 hours, because he takes 3 hours to fix my nails, because I need a fresh set. This is like the 3rd refill. I refilled it the second time. I refilled it the second time because I didn't have time to have a fresh set. So now this time I don't have a choice. Actually, that is the reason why it cracked. When you refill it more than enough times, it starts misbehaving. So now we need to figure out, I think I'm going to look for an alternative, someone who I'll be going to when my nail tech is not available. I think that's what I'm going to do, because if he were available, probably I would have looked for time and fixed my nails yesterday. But now, and we've started working out. We started the gym yesterday, first day. It was insane, but the trainer, we've already started with my husband, both of us. So the trainer yesterday was nice. He went easy on us. So now day 2 is today. I hope at least I'm going to be consistent this whole week, at least the first week, you know, and then we can start cheating as we let our muscles heal. Kabla tuanze kutembea kama bata, because I know that one is also coming. I know stretching my arms at one point will be a problem, walking properly will be a problem, but anyhow, it is what it is. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later when I'm going to make my nails. Before heading out, I figured I should have lunch before going for my nail appointment. So I ordered some chicken curry and garlic naan from a hotel in Westlands. I think it's called Anjiti. mostly they major on Indian food, and it came packed with some fresh vegetables, some carrots, chili, onions, and cucumbers. You know, Indians, they like their chili a lot, so it was really nice, and their portions are good because this, I had it twice. So I went over to Fabian Nails, their second branch. It's located in Lana Plaza on Oloitoktok Road, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that is a second branch, and the building they're in is really beautiful. The atrium is beautiful, has nice views. It's huge and has a ton of space. It's a really, really nice building. I think I'm going to be coming here more often because it's near where I work, so it's a bit easier for me to move from my office to that place and then head home. And the service as usual was great, so I think this is going to be a thing. So this is how the gym looks like. This is the treatment room. That hollow room is a locker room. They have a sauna over here. They have a water station over here. They have a full-length mirror there. They have a steam bath that seems not to be working currently. And then they have a resting area, 4 beds, you know, for those times you feel like you are really properly beat and you just need to lay down and, you know, like catch your breath for a minute. So you go there. These are the sinks, more changing space and more lockers. They have 3 shower cubicles and 2 toilets. So yeah, basically that is how it looks like. And this is how we are going to work out. I forgot to carry a top, so I'm just going to work out with my work top. It's still working, so yeah, basically this is it. Acha tuende tu katakate mafuta kidogo. Are you guys seeing my face? Huh? Hi guys, you remember last week I was here and I told you guys Papo is having, they're celebrating. Yes mama, I'm coming. Utaklala. Okay, I come in, we go make bubbles and then we go sleep. Yes, Mama. Okay, I come in. Okay. Yeah, so first of all, today I'm alone. My nanny is back for the weekend. So yeah, they're celebrating their 8th anniversary and they're having sales the whole week. So I just want to show you guys my haul for the week. And I have some tissue over here. I can't stop myself from buying tissue. And I really, really hope this thing is recording because I have just realized that my phone has a mouthpiece problem, so I need to get it fixed. But before that, I think I'm going to use a mic for the time being, and hopefully it's working the way it's supposed to. I've had this mic for a while. I just don't like using it. But now today I'm forced to, so I don't have a choice. Anyway, Today, Carrefour is having a sale on this. They're selling it at 269. So if you are running out of tissue, please go grab yourself some, because I think the max you can get from online is 3. So I got 2 because I was working with a budget and I could only afford to get 2. But in all honesty, I have a lot of tissues. So yes, ma'am, I'm coming. Yeah, I have a ton of tissues, so even getting these 2 was, technically speaking, I wasn't even supposed to get any tissue. Yes, I'm coming. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to get any tissue, but because they were having a sale, it's very hard for me to resist a good sale. So yeah, I got 2 of these. Please, if you want to grab and get the best offers, go. These ones are on sale today. I think online and in store. I don't know if in store they have like a limit for how many you can get. I don't know. I'm not sure. Because actually, even we went with Ella to the store earlier, and okay, I just didn't want to carry a lot of things, so I didn't take any tissues. But I don't think they have like a limit or something. But either way, go grab yourself some. So I got these ones today. These ones have been brought in today. This is what we had gone to. This is what we had gone to get with Ella. A ton of bread. Anytime my nan is not around, the easiest meal we can get is, the easiest meal I can make if I don't feel like cooking are sandwiches. So I just need to have enough bread in the house. And then I also got some individual white. Ariel. Yeah, Ariel. I don't. Oh, and they are scented. I didn't even. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. Still going to work. So I got 2 of them, 2 packs. They're also having a sale on this. This is the Velvet disinfectant, the lavender one. This is what I use at home. So we already have like half of this remaining, and I figured since they're having a sale, I might as well just buy and keep. Got some steel wool. I don't know if you guys saw the sale on this. They were selling these things at 43 shillings. This is the Omo bleach multi-purpose. This is lavender. I picked 5 bottles. I think I'm done with the bleach for the rest of the year. They were selling this. Omo bleach. This is 700 ml. Yes, 700 ml for 42 shillings. If that's not a good sale, then I don't know. So I got 5 of this. Let me just. These ones were on sale, I think on Tuesday. Was it on Tuesday? I think on Tuesday. I can't remember very well. But all these things are the things I've gotten from Monday to today. Some of them were supposed to be delivered today at home, but the rider came like super early. So of course I'm grateful because I'm with Ella. I need like things to be done pretty fast. I got some cooking. Got some whites. Ella uses these ones in school, so I had to restock because I ran out of them. And then I got her a bunch of pencils and color pencils for homework. Then I got some sauces. These ones were also on sale. Yeah, they're also on sale. If I'm not wrong, they're still on sale. These ones are the capri honey and mustard. dressing. I like this on my sandwiches. The one that I have rather is plain mustard, and mustard sometimes can be, when you take it too much, it can start being boring or just so. Honey and mustard is very, very welcome to change that whole thing. And I also got some maple syrup. I got a bread knife. I don't have a bread knife in this house. I have bake knives and butter knives, but I don't have a bread knife, so I got one. I also got Sensodyne. This one is also on sale. I also got some rice. These ones were on sale. Yes, these ones were on sale when? Can I remember? I can't remember. But they were on sale when I can't remember, but yeah. I got rice. Actually, they're supposed to be two, so I don't understand why it is one. And there's also, I don't know if you guys remember, the last time I did my shopping, I mentioned there was something that was missing that was out of stock. I called Capo. They told me they were going to follow up with my bank for a refund. It's been like 2 days already they happened, so I think I'm going to follow up on that. Yeah. I was right. This is the second one. Then there's something else missing, because I bought an iron box too. I've not seen it. Usually when I buy these things, it's my nanny who receives them, so I just come like later on when I have time to unpack everything. Yes, Mama? You want water? I'm coming. A minute. Ole. Yeah, so just adjust this just to make sure that things are in frame. Yeah, so I've just gotten off the phone with Capo and they're following up. Yes. What do you want to do with that? Collect these ones and then put them in one bag. Okay. You're tired. I'm sorry. What do you want? I know you want something. Let's use Colgate. That's nothing interesting. Anyway, yes. Yes, tea. They've just told me they're going to follow up with the supermarket and figure out why, if the item was yes, Mama. Go there, I'm coming. What is that? Yeah, they're going to follow up with the supermarket and see whether the item was packed or not. You know, I've had a case somewhat almost similar to this one. So, funny story, there was an order of mine that came and I had ordered bread. You know, over the weekend I usually like having bread in the house because chances are I'm going to make sandwiches. So I had ordered bread that time, and for some reason that bread wasn't delivered. So I just called Capo to like ask like what was happening, because that bread was missing. So apparently, and okay, this is just out there. I don't have anything to like actually confirm exactly what I'm saying. What I know is the bread wasn't there. So what I got from that whole thing is, I think that I either went and probably didn't think that I would follow up or something like that. But I think he maybe just assumed that it's bread, that if it was just missing, like I wouldn't like bother to call or something of that sort. So my thinking is we went through, because Carrefour did their own investigations and they were very sure that that particular order was stuck. So it is between the rider being given and it reaching here that something happened. So the rider unfortunately was forced to refund me. It was really interesting. I don't know why. Okay, sometimes I don't know what usually happens. Anyway, that's the case. So this one, they're going to confirm what exactly happened. They also had a sale on mattresses. I ordered one, so I'm expecting it hopefully to be delivered today. What else? Is there anything else that's missing? And there's also an order for last time that has not yet been refunded, so they're following up on that too. And I also got some maziwa mala just to restock, and sausages. No, not sausages, bacon. They also had a sale on bacon. So if you don't have their app yet, you are missing out on a ton of good deals. Especially it has been on this whole week. I don't know how long it's going to be on. And you can also play that spin the wheel. I played once and got 500 voucher. So of course I used it. But there's a catch. That 500 voucher is only applicable when you have like 4,000 shillings worth of shopping. So yeah, it kind of got me all this. I think I got all this for like 10k. I've not unboxed this one. I got ice cream. It's been a minute since we bought ice cream here, because people have been randomly having flus that are not really going away. Right now, Ella has a funny cough that just keeps showing its ugly head at night, so she doesn't really sleep very well. She actually didn't go to school yesterday because of that. Anyway, so I got this Cream Bell strawberry. And I've never tried this. This is the Italian gelati. This is a tiramisu ice cream. I got that one too. Yes. You want me to help you? You want to put it on? But why are you putting it on? We need to go and shower. Most distant. Yeah, anyway, that's the ice creams. Yes, that is tea. And then, yes, on a teeth. Neribu. These are the lalas. I just got 2 more bottles. Hi. And then these are the bacons, but these ones are not the strippy ones. This is the collarbone here. Stuck. Yes, they're stuck together, so I think I'm just going to leave them like this. Sad mama. It is bleeding. Where is it? Oh, you. Okay. Yes. Yeah, so basically this was my haul for this week. I have a mattress coming. I am expecting an iron box and a refund. Yes, those are the 3 pending things with couple. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. Yes. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Yes.
Color one.
I color one. You want color? Oh, it comes with an extra. Comes with an extra sharpener. Pink. Okay, go color. Go sit down and color. Oh, we're supposed to make bubbles. Even though nimewachwa. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a lovely weekend. I just want to put away all these things, go shower with Ella, and then we'll take an afternoon nap. She has a flu, and I feel like the naps are going to help her with healing quickly somewhat, and just getting her energy back. She's a bit weak and drowsy, so I think taking those afternoon naps are going to do her good. So basically, that is my plan for the day. And then probably when we wake up, we're going to figure out what we're going to have for dinner. And that's it. That's actually the plan for my day. I don't have anything else. We've already stepped out and come back, so I don't think there's anything else. I think if we have, personally, I don't think I'm going to eat. So chances are I'm going to make sandwiches for me and my hubby. But Ella, of course, I'm sure there's nothing hard with her. I can make her something small, which is easy. So basically, that is my plan for today. Tomorrow, I'm just going to take it easy. Hoping for the best. Yeah. Hoping for the best. Anyway, toodles. See you in my next one. See you in my next one. Sometimes I talk very quickly until the words disappear in my mouth. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Toodles, as usual.